How to download the GTA 4 on your PC or laptop. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to download the GTA 4, you will be first required to log in into your Steam account. So for this, first of all, open your Steam and then log in. Next up, tap on the search bar which is on the top right corner. Thereby, you have to type down or write in GTA 4, and from the list, you have to select your preferred edition. Once you tap on it, it will take you to another page. This might require you to enter the date of birth to continue due to contents which is inappropriate for kids. After that is done, you should be taken to another page from where you can see all the additions of the game. Select the one that you want and then you can type in or press in Add to Cart button. Add to Cart button will give you a pop-up from where select View My Cart. Here are all the list of the games that you have on the card. You can remove the ones that you do not need and then tap on Continue to Payment. Tapping on Continue to Payment should now take you to another page from where you can select your payment method. Select your payment method and then give in the details. Details could include, first of all, your card number, after that, your expiration date and security code, and then the billing information. Once this is done, you should be good to go and you can download the game for easily. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.